Hi, I'm Nathan with Maserati Silicon Valley, and this is a tutorial for the 2009 and 2010 Quattroporte with the Bose media system. This is a tutorial for how to use the navigation and just to put in an address. Very simple. But this system is a little more complex, so I do want to go through it. The navigation button on this system is the N with the 4 points of the compass, and then what you want to do to put in a selection is go to destination. And to do that, if it's not highlighted already, is you use the big Chrome knob to select destination and then select it by pressing the button in. And to put in an address, see it says favorite destinations, recent destinations. Address entry is where I'm going to go to put in an address. And to do that, I used, again, the big Chrome knob to change between the sub-menus. So here, California is already highlighted, so I'm going to select California. I'm going to put in a new city. Right now it says San Mateo, Los Altos Hills. I'm going to say spell city name. And to do that, you have to remember to switch from the big knob to the small knob when you're working within a menu. So to do that, again, I'm going to use the big knob just to show an example. I scrolled back to this address entry and I'm going to spell the city name. So I'm going to select that, and let's put in Redwood City, for example. So I'm going to spin the knob. This is the only way to do it. Spin the knob, and you notice the letters getting big and small. This is a trick I show in another video. Just leave your fingers near these sensors. So I spread out my hand a little bit in order to do that, and that way the letters will stay big. So I'm going to say Redwood City comes up as one of the selections after I put in just a few options. So I'm going to put in Redwood City, spell street name. We're going to say El Camino Real, because that's where our dealership is. There we go, El Camino Real came up. And then you have the choice to either put in a cross street or the building number. So I'm going to enter the building number, and again, it's just a scrolling system. I'm all done. It gives me a prompt. It says, how do you want to get there? Quickest or shortest? Now the difference is quickest will usually take you to a freeway. Shortest will take you the shortest way by side streets, generally speaking. So I'm going to say quickest. I'm already there. It's going to ask me if I want a pan map. That's the map that'll show you how to get there. And it says I'm already there. Up in the top right of the screen, it tells you how far I have to go, which is 50 feet, and when I'll arrive, which is right now. If you ever wondered what it said up there when you're going somewhere, that's what this is for. It tells you how much further you have to go and what time you're estimated to arrive there. If you want to quit navigation, the thing to do is just hit escape, which is this button here. And there it says cancel guidance is one of my soft keys. So I'm not going to hit that. I'm going to keep the navigation going, but just to show you that option. Another thing you can do is if you want to move around the map, let's say, which you can do in this pan map option, you can use this big knob on the left, big knob on the right to change which way these two black arrows are facing. And then if you move to the other knob, you can move in the direction of those arrows on the map. Now this is a way you could actually go and select a location and say, take me to that location. So if you know where something is on a map but you don't know the address, that's something you can do. And again, you can zoom in and out of the map using these two keys. This is to zoom out, this is to zoom in, and you can still use that pan map feature to jump around to different locations. If you want to change the map orientation, right now it's facing north. You can hit map orientation, and that will change you between north and direction of travel. In this case, actually, I'm facing directly north as well in this car, so you're not seeing a change, but that's what map orientation will do for you. A reset map will just take it back to where it was before I started playing around with the pan map feature. I hope that was instructive. Another thing you get with the navigation is you will get a repeat of your instructions in the screen in front of your face when you're driving, right between the two gauges there, the speedometer and the tach. So you do get a repeat of the instructions as well up there. That's it for this video. I will see you at the next one.